Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily use ChatGPT on iOS 15 without much hassle, and we will also improve the experience on all of these devices. The app for ChatGPT is not available or not compatible with iOS 15 and it won't let you install it, but in this video we will use a workaround which will also be official and completely free. You can simply begin with going to Safari and going to chatgpt.com, and from there you can easily use ChatGPT. So let's try it. You can see it works. Now to make it more accessible, you can simply hit this share button, scroll, and then hit add to home screen, and in the title you can type ChatGPT, then hit on add. You can see we have ChatGPT right here at our home screen now. For example, I will open Safari and close the ChatGPT tab. Now I can simply hit on ChatGPT here from the home screen and access ChatGPT without any issues. The good thing is that this method works on iOS 16 as well, or any other iOS version where ChatGPT app is not working or is not compatible. Now to fix the text being not aligned and to improve the experience, you can simply jailbreak your device using dopamine. The jailbreak guide is in the description for you. Simply open Celio, go to sources and make sure the allocate.space repo is added. To add a repo, you can simply hit this plus button, type the source here and then hit add source. From allocate, go to all categories and install allocate. Go to search and make sure you also install the preference loader. Go to sources again, then add the PoomSmart repo, poomsmart.github.io/repo. Once it is added, you can open it, go to all categories and search for ChatGPT. You will see this package, ChatGPT Web Legacy Compact. Simply tap on it, hit on get queued and confirm to install it. Then simply restart Springboard. Once you are in, go to settings, scroll all the way down until you see polyfills and make sure it is enabled. Go back and simply hit the ChatGPT from here. You can see the experience is now much better. Let's try it. You can see it works without issues. One thing I noticed that if, for example, you are chatting with ChatGPT and you simply minimize it using the home button and you reopen it, it will reload the page and your chat will be gone. To fix it, what you can do is, like, you are chatting, you minimize it. When you want to reopen it, simply double click the home button, the app switcher will open, and then you can simply hit it and get back to your chat. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.